Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of a common household product you probably already have in your kitchen, baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking. It has a number of health benefits that might surprise you. Let's explore a few. First off, baking soda can help with indigestion and heartburn. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water can neutralize stomach acid and provide quick relief from the discomfort. Baking soda is also great for oral health. It acts as a mild abrasive to help remove plaque and whiten teeth. Plus, it can neutralize acids in your mouth, reducing the risk of cavities. Did you know that baking soda can be used as a natural deodorant? It helps neutralize body odor by making the environment less acidic, which reduces the odor. Baking soda baths can soothe itchy skin and relieve irritation from bug bites or sunburn. Simply add a cup of baking soda to your bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. For athletes, baking soda can help reduce muscle fatigue. Drinking a solution of baking soda and water before a workout can improve performance and delay the onset of muscle soreness. And let's not forget its household uses. Baking soda is a fantastic household cleaner and deodorizer. It's safe, natural, and effective. There you have it, the versatile and healthy benefits of baking soda. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.